What's going on, guys? This is going to be a short and sweet video showing y'all how to replace your wiper blades on your 99 to 2007 GM products. After about 2 seconds of research, I saw that there's a ton of videos out there not really showing you how to do it, and there's a ton of questions under those videos asking for more info or saying that those videos did not help them in any way. Because the tricky part is the windshield wipers only lift up just like a couple inches, so it can get very confusing. But I'm going to show you all today how I swap them out on my 2006 GMC Sierra. All right, step one, get in your truck, get some power. You want to turn your windshield wipers on and then turn the key back off when they get up to this position right there, so we can get access to them a whole lot easier. So it's never a bad idea to grab you a towel, a blanket, a jacket, whatever you want. Put it under here, because when you take this off, there's a chance you might drop this and it smack your windshield and crack it, and that would be really unfortunate. So just put something underneath here, that way if you do fumble it, it doesn't bust your windshield. So there is a possibility your windshield wiper is actually going to be different than mine. There's a lot of different ways that different brands attach, but this is how mine is. And if I lift it up, you can hear it and see it catching right there. So obviously most vehicles you can pull this all the way back and it flips out, and it's a lot easier to flip this around and get access to it, but not the case on these. So like I said, if you look right there though, that is what's keeping our windshield wiper from coming off. So let me show you how to get that off. So we want this arm to slide forward, that way that this can go back and then we can take it off, right? But you saw those two little tabs, those are preventing us from going forward. It obviously has a little lock that keeps it from going down as well. So don't overthink it. Maybe even grab you a little flathead screwdriver or something to kind of squish them down. But basically, just like that. Wiggle it and push down, and out it comes now. Once again, like I said, get you a jacket or something so you don't smack your windshield. Well, let me hop down so I can show y'all. So that's what it is, just those two little tabs on each side if yours is the same as mine. And you just got to use a little pressure, pry it off, and she's free. All right, so clearly this Rain-X is a lot different in design, but essentially we're just going to do the exact same thing. You're just going to hook this on there, pull it all the way forward, lock it down, move your jacket now, take your little guard off, and that one's installed. So now, same process over here. I'll show y'all just to see if there's anything crazy different on that one, because it is a little bit farther away, and then we'll be done. All right, same deal here. Stick you something under there just in case. This one is a little more difficult just because of the position, but wiggle it. She's free. Toss that aside. Get your new one. Pop that back. Move your jacket, just don't drop that. Work it on there. Pull it all the way up. Click it down. We're done. Now we can let it go back to the normal position. Boom. So like I said, a lot of the comments in those videos were saying that they couldn't figure it out, but it's really not that difficult. Just don't overthink it. Give it a nice firm wiggle to each side while you're pulling down, and it will pop right off. Now, like I said, yours might be a little different. It might be something similar to this, where it's got a little latch that you got to pull back and pop, and it's going to be the same kind of thing. Just be careful, be firm. You're going to be able to do it. So anyways, I just figured I'd make a dedicated video for this because I saw a ton of questions asking how to do it, because people were confused that it didn't flip all the way up. So yeah, not that hard. There you go. And if this video did help you, be sure to hit subscribe, leave a like. What's going on, guys? Wanted to hop in the video real quick to show you these new shirts that we just came out. We got LMF on the front, and on the back we got loud, modified, fast with the American flag. Gonna have these for sale, limited quantity, $30, Cash App. I'll have the QR code right here. We're gonna have some more in the future. Sizes are large and extra large right now, and yeah, if you want to support the channel, be sure to send 30 bucks with your full shipping address, what size you want, get it shipped out to you. Peace.